Welcome to Class Saathi.
Welcome back to Class Saathi tutorials. So now we will cover the library part of our application. So the library part is situated on the top right corner. It's a textbook looking icon that you can see on the right corner. So what do we have for you in the library section? So as you can see, that library has various tabs available and the titles well depict the content you will see. So let's say I'm a grade 8 and I'm in the curriculum of CBSE. So if it's a curriculum-based ID, then you will find the textbooks aligned, the past papers, concept cards, and so on. You can also choose to upload your own textbooks if you feel that we are not providing the textbooks for you within the curriculum. So in the standard textbook, as you can see, this is the kind of publication we follow, and you can have it divided by chapter-wise and explore them as a PDF or even download them to teach in the classroom. And the best part is that this can be annotated while you're explaining your class. So for example, if I want to explain my class this chapter 1 of Exploring the Investigate World of Science, let's go to page number 3, which I can see some diagrams. I can basically turn on the pen feature and turn on my highlighter and start kind of underlining what I'm trying to teach so that my class is on the same page and we're not on different pages of the textbook. This could be a great help when you're interacting with your students in the classroom. You can also zoom in if you find that the readability is not so good in terms of the display that you're presenting in front of your classroom. Apart from this, the best part that I love about the textbook is that it has an AI feature where you can generate questions from any page number that you feel you want to test your class with. For example, let's assume that I taught page 2 and 3. So let me just click on capture page and confirm that this page is what I'm considering to create a quiz on. Page number 2 as well and confirm. So you can add up to 5 screenshots of any kind of PDF or textbook that you have available. And I will simply call this, let's say, a pop quiz. And I wanted to generate 5 questions out of these content. But you might want to be aware that if you're just going to, let's say I'm just using this screenshot over here, and if I command, let's say, 20 questions. So you could understand that 20 questions, there may be repetition because it's just this much content and you're demanding 20 questions. So you might want to be reasonable in terms of asking questions. So maybe for this paragraph, I might go like 5 questions. That could be like precise, good questions. Multiple choice, and of course you can choose the language as well. Now this is where things really get exciting for the teachers. So you can generate it and you will get 5 set of questions based on the screenshot you have chosen for your class. So this is all generated with AI that we have created for you. And as you can see, you get it. And you can also see that it shows you the options as well. You can expand all of them. If you're alone as a teacher, you can also see the answer and get a kind of glimpse of that. And you can save this and you can play it right away. Now this is what the textbook is. You can see that you can also go to the paper section, which is like the past examination papers. We have all of them available for you if the curriculum has it. If you want to upload your own, you feel free to do that. No one else will have access to this. Only you as a teacher will have access to it. You can also see that you have options to download or rename them as well according to yourself. You also have an exam section over here, which we will describe later in some tutorial videos as well. The concept card here are like mini, kind of cards where you can revise the concept and play on them. For example, if I'm on the chapter 1 and the topic is scientific investigation, I can basically scroll and review this chapter and I can then solve 5 questions on them, let's say. But if there are more than one topics, you can just go topic-wise topic and have different cards. Similar to the cards, you will have a good aligned YouTube video that you can play, and the best part is it doesn't have any advertisements, so you can play them freely without any disturbance and choose to play 5 questions as well. So the class notes part here is very interesting because your whiteboard notes that you might have seen in other tutorials, they get saved over here and you can share them between different classes. That's the best part. So if I have another grade 8 section available, right now I only have section B, but if there were different sections, I can actually share these notes with them. not only for notes or quizzes or something like that, but I can also share lesson plans if I have any. You can upload your own notes as well over here. As you can see, I have plenty of notes. And you can simply treat this as your own storage where you can name new categories and you can organize your documents basically. And of course, we have experiments. This is, of course, you have seen this on the whiteboard as well, but we also have a separate section over here. So in case you want to be a little experimental with your students, you can go ahead and play any experiment. We have various topics, of course, over here. This is powered by PhET Interactive Simulation, so you can have a look at that as well later if you want. And of course, the last bit of tab, we have lesson plans. If you are curriculum aligned signed up for our application, you will have some pre-made lesson plans. If not, you have AI, explore AI and create lesson plans by this as well. And you can use any topic. You can also upload your own referral documents if you want for it to create lesson plans for you. Now, this is what the library part was all about. I'll catch you in the next video for more cool features. Thank you.